Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Everlasting Luxury. Oprah Natalie Portman backed brand OATLY earns $1.4 billion in IPO. Swedish vegan milk maker OATLY Group AB OATLY, which is the world's largest oat milk company, which is backed by stars including Oprah Natalie Portman, which was founded by brothers Richard Oost and Bjorn Oost in 1990. Last year in July, the company sold it for 10% stake, which raised $200 million through an investment led by a private equity firm named Blackstone Group, which included its main members Winfrey Portman, an entertainment company founded by Jay-Z and Schultz. OATLY's biggest shareholder may be a partnership between Belgian investment company Verdinvest and an entity called Blossom Key Holdings, which is controlled by China Resources Co. Ltd., a Chinese government-owned company. The $1.4 billion in an initial public offering on the Nasdaq stock market for the capitalization of the products, thanks to high demand for his or her products globally. American Depository shares within the initial public offering at $17 each and rose nearly 30% to $21 a share. It closed out its first day up quite 18% at above $20 per share. Oat milk's growth is outpacing most competitors since OATLY came to America 3 years ago. OATLY now gets quite $100 million of its revenue from the United States of America, where it's sold in an additional than 7,500 retailers and 10,000 coffee shops. The sales of oat milk within the United States of America grew by a quite 200% year over year from 2019 to 2020. The category reached $267 million in retail sales in 2020. Rising to the second largest dairy alternative behind almond milk, OATLY has around half the distribution of its competitors, but that is the highest selling oat milk brand by retail sales value in the United States of American grocery stores. The company is in position to show oats into oat milk, which many health experts say may be a healthier and more eco-friendly alternative to cow's milk. The company grew slowly until 2012 when it appointed a replacement management team led by Peterson, an outsider who had led several startups. The OATLY entered the United States of America market in 2017 and China in 2018. In 2020, OATLY revenue quite doubled to $421.4 million. Peterson said OATLY took success from the closure of coffee shops thanks to the coronavirus. But surging grocery and e-commerce sales quite made up for that. OATLY full-year net loss widened to $60.4 million from $35.6 million in 2019 because it spent heavily on marketing and increasing production. The company has 4 manufacturing plants worldwide, and additionally, they are planning to add 3 more and are under construction. OATLY offered just over 64 million shares, while the number of the company's shareholders offered the remainder Clever Blends, which is the coffee brand which is backed by Meghan Markle and OATLY investor Oprah, bought oat milk from the supplier in the Chinese police state. Despite the Duchess bragging about ethically sourced ingredients, that the oats are farmed and became powdered milk in several Chinese provinces, many miles from the Uyghur region. The outcome of offerings in the week is being watched for clues of the near-term way forward for the United States of America capital markets, which have witnessed a shocking rally over the past 15 months, as share sales of many companies, including big names like Airbnb, Airbnb.o, Snowflakes, SNOW.in, and DoorDash, Dash.in break the agreement. OATLY share sales come within the middle of an important juncture for the United States of American IPO market, which is facing significant volatility thanks to the inflation fears that have forced investors to abandon high-growth stocks that specialize in value stocks instead. Sweden-owned maker of the dairy alternative products sold its products in 20 markets all over Europe, the United States of America, and China. Known primarily for its oat milk products, its tie-ups with several cafes within the United States of America, which include Starbucks. The company sells the products to food retailers like Tesco and Target Corporation, also sell online markets. The stock exchange listing comes at a time when the plant-based food sector continues to draw mainstream investor attention, especially as fast food chains and upscale restaurants create new menus to attract health and environment-conscious dinners. As there is more demand for plant-based food, which is being led by the younger generation and the population which is born between 1996 and 2010, which is 40% of the total population in the United States of America. These both are the major consumers and who are willing to use most of the healthy products that they want to spend on the products which are natural products and most energy which does not harm the environment also. The Ministry of State was told that Clever Blends has stopped working with Xinjiang several months ago and now uses the United States of America supplier which uses Canadian oats. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any amazing video from me.